y'all, so welcome to Mia Bright's new home. I definitely had to ask him if I could film this video for you guys because out of respect for him, and this is our new place together, both of our names are on the lease, I had to make sure he was okay with me showing you guys the place because I'm not just living here by myself anymore. So this is it. I'm super excited to show you guys. I'm super excited for this place. I'm super excited to move in, y'all. I love this place, okay? So this is the front door. It's frosted, which is a pro and a con. I love that it's frosted because of the look. It looks so nice, but the con is I don't have a peephole. So if somebody walks up to my door, I don't know who it is, but I have a doorbell. I do like a doorbell. It feels like a home. Like it doesn't feel like an apartment. Like it's technically a townhouse, but it feels like an actual home. Especially if you guys could see the outside, it looks like a house too. Like it doesn't look like a regular apartment. It looks like a house. So I'm not gonna show you guys outside though. Just because people are crazy, not gonna do that. But yeah, like it feels like a home. So I love the doorbell. I love the door. The only thing, like I said, the only reason I don't like it is that I don't have a peephole, so I can't see who is like showing up at my house. So what me and Brian are gonna do, we're gonna get a doorbell camera so that way if I'm home by myself or even when he's home with me, I can see who's at the door. So front door, and so when you come in the front door and you turn right, there's this long hallway and the laundry room, guest room, the guest bathroom, coat closet is all right here. So this is the coat closet. And it has a lot of space in here. Me and Brian don't really have like a lot of coats that we hang up. So, you know, we'll put like the vacuum, that kind of thing in here. Just extra storage. So that will go in here. And then to the right, okay, I said that wrong. This is the right of the hallway. This is the left of the hallway. It just looks, it's just switched because I have the camera the other way. But right of the hallway, coat closet, and extra storage. So then right here have our washer and dryer, and it's a full-size washer and dryer. Our cable goes in here. We have U-verse in the apartment already comes set up and wired for U-verse, so we just have to wait for the people to come and install and give us our DVR boxes. So yeah, there's that. So if you move a little further down the hallway, this is the water heater and whatever else this is. There's no room for storage in here though, so we're just gonna close that. And as you can see, at the end of the hallway, there is a bathroom. This is going to be the guest bathroom. We're not gonna really use this bathroom much unless we have friends over or anything. So yeah, it's just the guest bathroom. I love the bowl sinks. They're so nice. Even though they're so nice, I hate that we don't have as much counter space, but there is still a good amount of counter space with the sink bowl being so large. And I also love, y'all, I love these shower heads. So excited to take a shower with the shower heads. Hopefully they live up to the hype of what they look like, but we will see. And then right before you get to the bathroom, you have the first guest room, but this guest room is going to actually be my beauty room. This is my beauty room. There is no light in here. That's the only con to like newer apartments is that they don't put lights in the rooms anymore, and I don't know why. I don't know what all I'm going to do with it yet. I am going to put the things that were in my old beauty room in here and then add some things as well because this room is a lot larger. Well, not a lot larger, but this room is a little bit larger than my old beauty room. The beauty room also has a really nice closet. I am going to be putting my clothes in the beauty room, and I'll explain that a little later of why I'm doing that. But my clothes are going to be in the beauty room. This closet is the largest closet in the house. It's not super huge, but I think I can manage to fit all of my clothes in here, I think. Okay, so that's everything on this side of the house. So now we're going to move back towards the front door and go check out the rest of the house. Okay, so the front door is behind the camera. So the front door is behind you guys, and this is the rest of the apartment, the townhouse. So this door right here is going to be our garage. My car is in the garage right now, but it is a one-car garage. It's a really good size. It fits my car comfortably. It does have like room around the car, so that's great. So if we keep going, the stairs are to my right, but we will go up the stairs last, and I'm going to show that one last. But to my left, we have the kitchen, and the kitchen is a really nice closed-in kitchen, but it's still really, really open. I love the kitchen. We do have a pantry, all stainless steel appliances, and I love that this stove is a flat top stove. That is one of my favorite things about this apartment, is that the stove is a flat top. And then also my favorite thing about the kitchen, that we have a nozzle that comes down in the sink. So that is great also. We do have like a little island area, so we may or may not put some bar stools right here. I'm not really sure yet. We will see, but I love these light fixtures that are right here. So we may put bar stools right here just because of these light fixtures, and I think it's kind of meant for like bar stools here. So we may put some bar stools there. All right, so if you keep walking, we walk into the living room and the dining room. The living room is a really good size. If you guys can't tell, like right now, I look like I look like I have a backdrop, or like I'm on a green screen or something, because this living room is huge, y'all, huge. So this is the living room area, and then the dining room area is attached. I love this light fixture. We're thinking about putting a bar in this little corner over here, you know, so we have enough space to do a lot of different things in here. So I'm really excited about that. And off of the living room, we have a second bedroom. There is no light in that bedroom as well, so it's going to be a little bit hard to see it. So this is technically the master bedroom. There is, like I said, there is no light in here. The closet is a little bit smaller than the closet in the other bedroom. It is long, but it's not a walk-in closet. So there's also a bathroom in the second bedroom, which is technically the master bedroom. The finishes are still the same. The only difference in this bathroom is that there is a stand-up shower instead of a tub and shower combination. So this is only a stand-up shower. But I do love these doors. And I'm kind of glad that we don't have to buy a second shower curtain. The shower curtains are a little expensive. So I am excited for that. So then we also have like a nice backyard area. It's not super big because they are technically like apartment townhomes, but they are a nice size. It is a nice size. So it's our little backyard area. It is really nice. We're thinking about putting maybe a grill or a table somewhere on this slab of concrete. So it is a really nice area. There are like more homes and stuff in the background. There's a church behind us. So I'm really excited for this. All right, so if you go back towards the kitchen, we have our stairs that lead up to our loft area, which is going to be Brian and I's master bedroom, just so that people do not have to go upstairs when they're over. So we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you guys the loft / master bedroom. So this is the loft area. This is going to be Brian and I's bedroom. I'm not really sure how we're going to decorate it just yet, or how we're going to place things, because it technically is a loft and we do have a lot of windows up here. It's also the biggest room besides like the living room. So this is why we decided to make this our bedroom as well, rather than the other two bedrooms. There is a closet up here, and Brian's gonna put his clothes in this closet, and we're also gonna have a dresser up here as well. So like all of my night clothes, like my bra, underwear, socks, like that kind of thing will be up here, but my actual clothes will be downstairs in my beauty room. But yeah, so this is the apartment. I'm super excited to move in. And this is like our first official place together. Like both of our names are on the lease, but we've definitely have lived together before, but this is like ours together. So I'm super excited to move in. I'm super excited for you guys to see it once we've decorated and we have things in here, which is definitely going to be a process. So that's not going to be a video you guys get like right away. But the cable people are supposed to be here in like 20 minutes. So I'm going to wrap the video up right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. I hope you guys like the new place. I definitely love it. And I hope you guys are ready to see new videos in my new beauty room, and I will see you guys in my next video.
See, I just want your hands around my rose.